In this guide, I'll show you how to screenshot on the PS4. Saving and managing screenshots on your PS4 is straightforward. Follow these steps to capture, view your screenshots from your PS4. Find the Share button on your PS4 control. It's to the left to the touchpad and above the left thumbstick. Press and hold the Share button for 1 second. You will hear a confirmation chime, and the camera icon will appear on the left side of your display. From the PS4 home screen, navigate to the library, located all the way to the right. The library is sorted alphabetically by default, so you should find the Capture Gallery near the top of the list. Select and open it. The most recent screenshot is located at the top of the All folder. Open the All folder to find your screenshot. For older screenshots, navigate to the specific games folder in which you took the screenshot. And then select and open the screenshot. You can zoom in, zoom out, or make basic edits. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.